just got these little boxes so I can keep things organized. And in this case, I like the fact that they are clear so you can see what's there. I'm planning to put my books over here to keep them organized, and also they are coming with wheels, and that's something that I also wanted to have so that way I can move these around. So I wanted to show you these ones to see how they turn out. So this is how they are packed when they arrive. I love that you can see everything that you have over here, so that way you're not guessing. And you don't forget about the things that you have, which is the most important thing. I feel like if you don't see it, you forget about it. So this is something that I wanted to have because of that reason.